Hi Year 10, today we're going to look over how to find the nth term of a sequence. Now the nth term means a rule where we can find any number in the sequence at any position. So it's not about finding the next number or a specific number, we can use it to find any number. The way we go about this is to first find the difference between the terms. So there should be a constant difference between these. We can see there's a difference of 6 here, another 6, another 6, so the difference is not changing. This difference here tells us the coefficient on the n. So the first part of my rule is going to be 6n. Now I know 6n is 6 multiplied by 1, which is 6, 6 multiplied by 2, which is 12, and we continue on like this. So 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, we've got 24 and 30. Now the thing we can see is that 6n is not the same as our sequence here. We have 6 and 9, 12 and 15, 18, 21, etc. So even though I know this is the first part of my sequence, it's not the full sequence. So in order to get from 6n to our actual sequence, each time I am adding 3. So we're comparing our known part to the part we've just found. Because I'm adding 3 to each part of the sequence, my actual nth term is going to be 6n plus 3. And that is how we find the nth term of any arithmetic sequence. There are some sequences where it involve finding second differences, but we will look at those another time. You only need to know these for now. Now, another type of question you could be asked to do with nth terms is to find a certain term of the sequence. Now, if we didn't have this, you can see that this takes forever. We could do it, but we'd have to keep counting and going up in sixes to find it, and it would just take far too long. Because we have the nth term, this actually takes far less time. So we know that our nth term is 6n plus 3, and we're trying to find our 121st term in the sequence. So n is equal to 121. We can just substitute this in, so we have 6 multiplied by 121 plus 3. And you can see if we evaluate this, it's really easy to find the 121st term. It's going to be 726 plus 3, which is 729. So a lot quicker than counting up, and that's what we use nth terms for.